Good afternoon, dear children. Today, this class is for class 5. This class is for class 5. Yesterday, we dwelt the lesson 8, flash of light. So you understood that part of it, how the flash of light comes to us. How we have to understand what is flashing light is not a thing, but how it comes a idea for us, like a flash of light. So you saw that the beggar was, as Valentina was passing, the beggar was ready to ask some help from him. Now coming to the next page number 97. Surely, sir, said the beggar, was an honest man. He was an honest beggar actually. You have made a mistake. You have given me a franc instead of a sou. Now, he has given instead of, that is a currency of French currency. So instead of franc, he has given, he has given franc. So Valentina was astonished. Astonished means surprised, at once shocked. Why it is such a big thing is given to me? He was not surprised by the man's honesty, but by the fact that you could tell so quickly the difference between a franc and a sou. You just imagine the man is blind. How could he understand the difference between the franc and the sou? Which is franc? That is difference of the currency of French. So here what happened? He was shocked. The what is that called? The beggar also is shocked. While Valentina was so much surprised by the man's honesty, how he is able to judge and tell difference between franc and the sou. So that is the great thing. Now he is blind. How could he can make out? And then now same thing happened to us. See, we could have been, if we are, though we are educated, sometimes you would not have able to tell the difference because we also don't know currency, how it is, what is that called, which is more, which is less, what is that? Now, how did you know that I had given you franc? Asked Valentina. He asked the beggar, how do you know that I have given only franc for you, not the sou? Oh, replied the beggar. Oh, replied the beggar, it is enough for me to pass my finger on it, over it, which means he is blind. You are just passing the finger on that currency and he is able to recognize the difference between in this both, isn't it? Able to recognize the difference between both. How did you know? Okay. Now, this was like a flash of light in Valentina's head. This was like this is called a flash of light, not anything, something which is happened to be a memorable thing. So this is what meant is a flash of light, not anything else, something that we think what is the flashing the light, the idea will come. No, this is shocked and the light comes on his brain. What is this kind it be? Valentina allowed the beggar to keep the franc, although it was a great deal of money in those days. It was a very, means those days the money, what is that called, was very difficult. Though the value was more of the money was less, isn't it? In our time, that is maybe. As he continued his walk, he thought to himself, if the blind can distinguish at the least touch a piece of money, why should they not distinguish a mark of letter or a figure? Now there is a big question mark here. That is a flash of light for Valentina. If the beggar can if the beggar can recognize this, just seeing, touching the currency over it, that value of both, how can he cannot figure it in other things? Means, why should they not distinguish a mark, a letter, or a figure? And also they are able to, he is able to recognize them, sure. So that was his conclusion. In short, they should be able to distinguish any sign so long as it is raised. That means yeah, they are these beggars, blind beggars, able to recognize that any sign anywhere, because they could recognize that. So he wanted to make some implementation or something new, some innovation for this blind people. That is what he was trying to just analyze it, isn't it? So that is the nice thing. The flash of light, we think flashing, you may be had in your mind. Flashing light means a flash of light. Now, with this idea, Valentina took home blind boy who he found begging at a church door. Now, so what he had at the end, he took that boy home to his house. One was begging, blind beggar. The blind boy became his first pupil and learned very quickly how to read from raised signs. Yeah, now certain signs he is able to read them, certain signs. So you know how to read them. With the help of money donated by the public, Valentina was able to start a school for the blind. Now, here with this beggar, what he does, he takes home, you also understands him, you also learn something, certain things from him, then he is able to start a school for the blind. Now, anything that we experience in our life, only we are able to, what is that, start. Now, online class. Earlier, there were no online class. We didn't even know what is. Some children maybe don't know anything of online classes. So, slowly, this was one incident to learn for us something through this coronavirus, online classes, online videos, and so many things. And children are able to operate the mobiles with all the facilities, whereas earlier it was forbidden to give the mobiles, but now it is a great, what is called a deal of mobiles. Now the mobile shop also increased, they know the demand of the people, so what they did, they put their demand also front. So this is what each one we learn from one experience. Now same thing Valentina also learnt. What he learnt is the blind beggar came to him, he gave some help for him, and with that he came to know that he is able to, through touching the figures and the signs, they may able to read and write. So he has taken home and he also is learning from him something, and suddenly he gets a flash of light that to start a school for the blind. Now, some years later, a blind man called Louis Braille, 1809, 1852, also a Frenchman like Valentina, perfected a system of writing, especially for the blind. This writing is called Braille. Now they are introducing writing, which is called Braille. That is the system they are trying to introduce for the blind children. So this is what for today, very little paragraph I did it. So you go through them and read it. I don't want long chapters to conclude within one day. So we will go slowly, bit by bit.